guys, what's up? I'm Nilanjana. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new vlog with a brand new, not a brand new me, but an old me, but a brand new year. So wishing you all a very happy 2022. So for the people who have been following me on my YouTube channel, you guys know that I've been MIA for quite some time now. That's cause, I had taken a mini break, or you can say I had taken a vacation with my family. I will tell you all exactly why मेरे को इतना late हुआ to even post. This is the first vlog or this is the first video for this year, so I'm really sorry for that. I was really not in a mood to shoot any sort of video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Nilanjana Bindra. I share a lot of makeup and beauty related contents along with loads of product reviews and vlogs as well. So kindly take a moment to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. So let's begin. So guys, as I already mentioned that I went for a chotu wala vacation for a week. Actually, I went with my family. Went to a place जहाँ पर भीड़ मतलब you can't imagine. Okay, it was so crowded. अगर हम लोग को पता होता कि it would have been this kind of a situation, never ever we would have bought the tickets. Though I was out, I was not posting anything on my YouTube channel. I did post a couple of pictures on my Insta. So this is my Instagram handle. If you want to know as to where did I go, you can definitely go and check those pics out. Okay, so talking about the trip, it really didn't go well with any of us, like be it my parents or Anya, everyone fell sick. By the time we got back to Calcutta, my parents started feeling pretty unwell. So that's the time we suggested, why don't you go for a COVID test? And unfortunately, it came positive. Then immediately we thought of doing a test for Anya, but then the doctor was like, you shouldn't be doing it right now, otherwise a false report aa jayega. So we just took some time. In the meanwhile, Amar, actually he's right now he's not at home. He is staying with my parents, and here I'm taking care of Anya. Okay guys, if you see that there is a slight change in the filming thing, because in the initial part of the clip, if you see, it was in the broad daylight and now it's the evening time. Basically what happened, I think I did not mention this. I just mentioned that Anya was feeling unwell and she had fever and she had all those symptoms of COVID. So we did the test yesterday and the report just came like today evening. And she too has tested positive, but then it's okay, now she's in the recovering phase, though she is pretty weak, but good that we have started off with the early medications of antibiotics and the vitamin C and all those things. So now she is basically in that recovering phase. So yes, I just wanted to put it across in the vlog because aap log ko aisa na lage ki that what exactly happened. She was shooting in the broad daylight and now it's like it's a different setup altogether. So now let's continue with the rest of the vlog. So now you can understand the situation, right? My parents they have been tested positive. Yahan par Anya is like superb. She's gone so weak that I can't even tell you. So that is the main reason, why I did not even have the will or the energy to come in front of the camera and shoot. But there are few commitments that you got to do. As the saying goes, that no matter what, the show must go on. So that's exactly what I am doing. Anyway, so leaving all those stories aside, because these things we have to deal with, but let's talk about something positive, something nice. Okay, now winters, you guys know that winter is my favorite season, and it's always that I have mentioned in many of my vlogs that if anyone asks which is your favorite season, it has to be winters. But there's only one thing which I'm sure we always feel embarrassed of, that if at all you need to scratch your hand or your face, then agar yahan par koi white sa patch ho ya white mark ho, we feel so embarrassed, right? Because during winters our skin tends to get super dry, flaky and itchy. But now I think I am absolutely sorted this particular season because Mama Earth has gifted us with some amazing nourishing cold cream. Now there are two variants of it. One is the vitamin C and the other one is cocoa. So let's talk about those two amazing cold creams.
Cocoa Nourishing Cold Cream with Coffee and Vitamin E is a cream that moisturizes deeply and is extremely indulgent thanks to the natural goodness of coffee. Crafted with emollients like coconut oil and almond oil, the cold cream will keep your skin buttery soft and seal in moisture, especially in the dry winter months. The key ingredients of this product are coffee, vitamin E, coconut oil, and organic almond oil. It provides rich moisturization, quick absorption, and is India's first made safe certified cold cream. Mamaearth Vitamin C Nourishing Cold Cream is a rich textured cream that both moisturizes and brightens, making your skin absolutely supple. Crafted with the power of vitamin C and honey, this cold cream not only deeply hydrates the skin but also protects it from damage caused by free radicals and UV rays. The key ingredients of this product are vitamin C, honey, organic lemon oil, and olive oil. It provides illuminating moisturization, deeply nourishes the skin. It has absolute lightweight formula and is India's first made safe certified cold cream. Vitamin C helps reduce signs of aging, evens out skin tone, and keeps your skin absolutely hydrated, whereas honey moisturizes the skin and keeps dryness at bay.
So guys, if you can see that my skin looks super hydrated and nourished. Now since I've shown you all the two variants, that is the vitamin C nourishing cold cream, which is infused with vitamin C and honey, it gives you that illuminating moisturizing effect, whereas the cocoa nourishing cold cream is infused with vitamin E and coffee. Your skin feels absolutely radiant, illuminating and highly moisturized, especially in this winter season. Now all these products that I am showing you all, they are light and non-greasy and it absorbs really well into your skin. Now there are so many cold creams in the market that you'd see that, minute you apply it, your skin feels very sticky as if you've really applied a layer of oil, but this really doesn't feel that way. These products are dermatologically tested and it's suitable for all skin types, and men and women of ages 15 years and above, they can use it. Now Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand, that is, they recycle more plastic than they use. Mamaearth has taken up the Plant Goodness initiative, that is, whenever you buy from them, they would link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 this brand Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees, which is a part of this initiative. So I think this is really amazing. Now all these products that I've shown you today, they are easily available on Mamaearth app and website, so you can download it and you can avail a 20% discount by using this unique code which is flashing on the screen, which is Nilanjana 2022, and you can get a 20% discount. However, this is only applicable on their website and Mamaearth app. Apart this, you can also get these products on Amazon and Nykaa. So guys, don't even think twice, just go and grab these products. And another very important thing is all these products are absolutely natural and they're free of harsh chemicals. So go and grab them right now.
थोड़ा vlog किया, थोड़ा आप लोगों से बात किया, and I feel so good now. Today I think I just felt that I wanted to just speak to you all. I think my vlog was very boring, but trust me, I am a very chirpy and that kind of a person, but you understand, right? Like I told you the situation, the scenario of my house. So somehow I was like, मुझे vlog देना था, मुझे एक video देना था. So that's the reason I was like, I just wanted to
put it out there that I'm absolutely fine. And as a YouTuber, I think it is our responsibility also to let the people who really loves you, who really cares about you, to let them know that, you know, everything is fine. That's what I really wanted to put it across. So anyway, abhi time काफी हो चुका है. It's like almost 9 o'clock. Now Anya is taking rest in the other room. तो घर जब खाली होता है ना, अजीब सा फीलिंग भी होता है. एंड एक फीलिंग आता है दैट यू फील दैट ओ आई जस्ट वांट टू बी लेफ्ट अलोन, आई डोंट वांट एनीवन टू बी अराउंड मी. एंड देन व्हेन दैट सिचुएशन एक्चुअली हैपेंस टू यू, यू फील लाइक नो, आई वांट पीपल अराउंड मी, वेयर आर दे? एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट्स हैपनिंग टू मी राइट नाउ. So my daughter is there in that room. Hi Anya, how are you feeling?
I'm recovering.
She is lying down. She's taking rest. So yeah. So you're feeling well?
Yeah.
Good. Good girl. She's my strong girl for sure. तो अभी I think I'm gonna have my dinner. Time काफ़ी हो चुका है. कैमरा हाथ में होना तो बात करते करते पता ही नहीं चलता. एक्चुअली रियली यार टाइम का पता नहीं चलता. डिनर काफ़ी ऐसा इस टाइप का है. वो डिनर देखते ही ना मेरा भूख ही मर जा रहा है. यू वांट टू सी व्हाट्स द डिनर? आई विल शो यू. वेट. So it's only Anya and myself, we both are there. So dinner में है आलू गोभी का सब्जी, which is like more than enough for the two of us. Then there's little chicken. Then और क्या क्या है? Okay, this is पालक और आलू का सब्जी है एक. Then egg curry. I mean little करके ना इतना सारा सब्जी. Then dal and that's aloo bhaja. Yeah, that's that. Now apart that, I have got another very interesting thing which I need to show you guys. People who live in the city of Joy, you guys know this dukan, Bancharam, right? And see, it's pithe. I don't know what is this called in Hindi or English. I don't know, but yes, it's like a pancake and अंदर में है खीर का stuffing होता है. And this is absolutely yum. So I'm back where I belong, dining table. And I'm having this, you know, I couldn't control, but I'm like, you know, let me have it. Like off late, I am gaining so much weight. If you can see this, guys, look, I'm having double chin, but theek hai. Actually, I'll tell you something. When I'm stressed, when I am like, pata nahi, when I'm tensed or stressed, you know, I eat, I hog. And that's exactly what I'm doing nowadays. I think food is the only thing that's keeping me sane. Yahan se. Otherwise, I would have gone crazy. Dieting and this kind of a situation, OMG. It's not possible. At least इस जन्म में तो नहीं. जहाँ पर इतना मेरे को stress भी लेना है and all those things. I think food is the only thing that can keep me happy. I really love it. Comment down below किस को ये चीज़ के बारे में पता है and who all love eating this. इसका बहुत सारा variations भी मिलता है. Stuffing है, if you can see. ये है आपका खीर वाला stuffing और एक होता है नारियल का stuffing. नारियल I don't prefer because उससे पेट दर्द होता है मेरा. So I like खीर. टाइम हो चुका पता है क्या? इट्स डिनर टाइम तो है नहीं, डेजर्ट टाइम है. सो आई एम हैविंग डेजर्ट. मे बी आई स्किप माई डिनर. जस्ट अ रैंडम व्लॉग. बेसिकली इट वॉज अ सिट डाउन काइंड ऑफ अ व्लॉग नहीं, वीडियो, जो भी आप बोलो, वेर इन आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू टॉक टू यू ऑल, वेर इन आई वॉन्टेड टू से एज टू वाई I was not uploading any videos. So I put it across to y'all. So let's hope, pray that for the next few days things are really going to ease down and I will be in my chirpy, normal self. Because मैं generally I am not that. I'm always, when I'm sitting in front of the camera, I'm like, full on with makeup and all. But today, if you can see, I'm looking so dull. But होता है ना कभी कभार. That's the real me, यार. I mean, at times it's good to show your real self. इतना मेकअप लगा के कौन घर में रहता है, right? Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And for the people who have recently joined my channel, please do not unsubscribe thinking that, oh, she's so boring. Trust me, I'm not boring at all. My vlogs are pretty interesting, but today halat aisa tha ki I couldn't be like yo-yo types. But trust me, I will be giving you all very nice and good content in the future. Maybe just next week, just 1 or 2 weeks, bear with me. And I hope you have enjoyed it. Please, I hope, if you have enjoyed it, then please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram, and please subscribe. That's the only thing I would want from you all, apart from loads of blessings and love. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, keep smiling, and take care of your loved ones. Bye bye. Love you lots.